Hey everybody, welcome back to Bearded Goblin Gaming. On today's episode of Monster Monday, we're going to be working on a crystal golem. These are a quick, simple build, and depending on the paint scheme, you can go anywhere from a crystal golem to an ice golem, stone golem. There's a lot of versatility to them, and with what you're using to build them, none of them should look the same. So let's get going. Okay, so to get started with crystal golems, you're going to want to start with the base because we're going to build everything right off the top of that. I figured go about the same as our scroll golem, and he was just a little bit under 3 inches, and I used the larger wooden discs out of that pack that I got from Hobby Lobby. But that's a little bit too small because our crystal golems are going to have a lot more bulk to them. So I went ahead and I grabbed one of my Death Guard here, and we'll trace his base and to make the bottom. So I'm just going to use expanded board here. Cut ourselves out a square. And the bases don't need to be exactly perfect. You could even do square bases if you want, and then you'd be done anyway. I think that's what we'll do. We'll just make this one into a square base. So from there, if you want to texture this, like you want to make the stone floor for the dungeon, go ahead and put some markings and stuff into that now. Oh. Nice and loud. Take that blue paintbrush again that's got that end to it. Should work pretty good. Then, just for some structural integrity, we're going to take the paper clip again, or some wire if you got some laying around. Just fold it in half. Figure out how you want his legs. Probably going to end up being, well, he's about 3 inches tall. Wait for the hot glue gun to heat up. Okay, so I've gone through my bag of scraps. I just pulled out a bunch of blue chunks. We're just going to start building them up from the bottom. Go ahead and put a little just on the wire so he stays secure. Now, as you can see, it's not exactly the greatest. It's just basically semi-controlled chaos building these. I got a few little spots that I want to fill in, but he's mostly done. We'll let all the hot glue cool down, then we'll go through and we'll pull all the little wisps and stuff off, and then we'll hit it with the Mod Podge and let that harden and dry, and then we'll come back and do the paint. Okay, so he's all dry from the Mod Podge. I'm gonna make him match my crystals that I have set up, so I'm gonna be using a deep blue and a lighter blue, and then a white, and probably some purple ink. We'll let that dry, and I'm going to hit it with one more quick white dry brush just to bring it back. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let that dry, and I'll paint up the base, and then I'll come back with some high-res photos for you guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. It's kind of a quick and goofy character to make. You could probably make this look super cool if you took your time and planned it out a little bit more. But if you did like this video or have any comments on it, go ahead and leave them down below. Leave a like. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe and notification button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.